Every community comes with a public page that is accessible on the internet and allows your members to both log in and, in the case of public communities, register to join for your community. Let's navigate to the admin area, click on Products and Public Pages. And this shows all the pages that are actually available via the internet to logged out users. So these are things that, for example, Google would crawl and start to SEO index. And you'll see one here called the Actually Community Welcome. And this is the primary public page. And so we can actually, to see what this looks like, we could copy the link. The best thing to do is open an incognito window and actually view this page here. So you see this is what the page looks like. I'm just going to reload. It comes with a header image. It explains what it is. And because this is a private community, the only option is for people to sign in. Now, to edit this page, let's go back to the admin area. All I need to do is click on the edit page. And here we go. So now I can click anywhere. If I just click right here, actually this block, I would click on the triple dot. I'd click edit block. I could change the description of the community, and I can see that it's got some featured products. These are blocks. So again, I can drag and drop these around. I can add a new block. Let's say I want to feature some memberships or just add some copy. I'd be able to do that. So you can really customize the look and feel of this page. And then let's go back. You can also adjust the settings of this. So if you want to actually change the SEO description of this page, you can do so there. This is a great way for members to discover your community and understand how to create an account.